Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. We are going to learn about this selection. Let's draw a line which we draw like in previous video. Yeah. So there is the two process, moving from left to the right corner and right to the left corner. When we move from left corner, select in the left corner, then click the right corner. All it should be selected, should be covered by this box so that it can select it. So I'll do the same for this line. This highlighted rectangular box does not cover all the lines here, so it does not select the lines. So for this, moving from right to the left, it touches the certain parts of the line, but it selects all the line connected to it. Left to the right selection and right to the left selection. So then let's do it. Line, so we want to select this whole line moving from right to the left. So select right, only touches the certain parts of the line, then it touches the whole object. When we move from left to the right, it only selects the line. When left to the right, it only selects the line which is fully covered. You can see here only the line, this line is touched by the selection area, but it does not select the line. So you want a single line to be selected, you can cover all the areas get to it. You want to then move from right to the left, to select, or simply you can do it like this. Concept of selection. Yeah. Like, share and subscribe to civil engineering tips for learning faster. Peace out.